and Rachel catched it. You're gonna have to chuck it at me. Who was there?
Okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna have to start this in a second. Alright, okay, we're having toast, fine. I look awful this morning. I should not be on camera like this right now.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Honestly, you're just gonna have to excuse my appearance today because it's just not the best, but it's fine. I'm hungry. You look so pretty and I look like garbage rats.
We're gonna do TikToks.
Give me like 10 minutes and a piece of toast and I'll be there. Yeah, good morning guys. How are you all doing? I thought I'd film and spend the day with us. Yeah, I thought I'd film and spend the day with us. Rachel's actually vlogging this entire week, so I thought I'd mix it up and just film today. I'm actually really excited for today. I don't know what we're doing in the day. It's literally like 11-ish and we've not eaten yet. So that is task number 1 of the day. I say task number 1, you've had a very productive morning. Like Rachel's been doing content and all sorts.
Why is your ass out?
Because why not? But yeah, I thought I'd come and spend the day. I think we're gonna go shopping. And then we're going to dinner. Where are we going to dinner tonight?
Novico!
Which I don't know.
The Italian one.
Right. I don't know like what this place is, but I've heard it's really good Italian food, so I am absolutely there. And then we're going to tape tonight in London, which I don't really I don't really know like what the vibe of it is. It's obviously not like full-on club.
So what did the guy say? It's like it's more like a lounge,
like
bar
entertainment, like.
But I prefer that.
Yeah. Well, like I'll happily sit at a table, have some drinks, call it a night, and go home. Like that is what I want to do.
It's absolutely not what I'm going to be doing. So you want to say? I take it so far, and I end up in Bournemouth or something.
We went to Whole Foods yesterday and stocked the whole fridge, so that has been gorgeous. But yeah, we're gonna have toast and then we're gonna wait for Mads to get back. She went to get her lashes done, which I also got my lashes done yesterday and I actually am obsessed with it. Yeah, Mads is going to get hers done and then we're gonna get maybe like a Joe in the Juice. Again, because it is just the best and we don't have one in Manchester anymore and that makes me really upset. What else did we get? We got some crisps yesterday, some tortilla chips. We got the best hummus I've ever had. But yeah, we got like some little Greek salads. We got hummus, which the hummus is so good. Some like guac. Yeah. We got, what is this? It's like broccoli and cauliflower, but it's so good.
It's so good.
And oh my god, the potato salad, delicious. Yeah, we've got like a little stocked fridge.
Your toast is getting cold, but the butter's not heart soft.
Oh, did you put it in the fridge?
Well, yeah.
No.
Well, I've run out.
That's the first piece of toast.
Oh my god.
I'll just have dry toast. Sorry.
Sorry.
Is the bread nice? No. That's good. We've just finished getting ready. I don't really know what we're doing. Just going for a little mooch.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You guys had it yesterday, but I am so excited.
It is the best place. Like, gonna get a tuna cardo, a green juice, and just have a little mooch, I think. We've just done like really light makeup because we're filming a Get Ready With Us for your channel later, aren't we?
Yeah.
Got our lashes done too. I know. I actually love them so much. Like,
honestly, she's so good. She's the best.
Yeah.
Ever.
We go to Glamorous Lashes London. I'll put her out on the screen. I might have put it in earlier as well. But yeah, that is what we are doing. That is the POA for the day. Currently at Joe in the Juice.
When are we not?
When are we not? What did you get? A latte and
a latte with vanilla milk and semi-skim milk. This is the power shake. I mean, I don't know, it's just strawberries, banana and vanilla again. And
it's
I've got an avocado sandwich coming with... Oh, where's your sandwich?
Well, I don't think this is mine. I think I've accidentally just picked up the wrong order and I'm too scared to go back in. Oops. I just took the sandwich back in, but I don't know if that's mine and I don't want to drink it now. Alright, we've got our foods. Tuna cardos over here, of course.
Why do I want a croissant and fries?
And a cocktail.
Oh yeah, that's obviously...
That's a given. We've stopped at a little cafe. We just went to have like a mooch around the shops. Mad's actually got some shoes from a trainer shop that we stopped in. And we're just gonna have, I don't know what we're gonna have. That's what we're currently trying to decide. Rach has decided that she's gonna be on the cocktail, so absolutely fine, I will join.
I'm tired and I feel like that might like just perk me up a bit.
Yeah, but it's like 3 o'clock, and to be fair, dinner's not booked until like 9:15. And we have just eaten, but I'm suddenly hungry again. I don't know where my appetite's come from recently, but I could literally eat like 24/7. So
that is what we will be doing.
Yeah. Food and Bits has arrived. Mad's got some little macaroons. They look so cute.
They look cute.
Me and Rach got croissants. Look how you've just got this like passion fruit martini just sat there. But the coffees look so cute as well. They've got like little kitties on. Oh my god, I didn't see that. I just so cute. Well, well, well. What have we got here?
Well,
What's going on here?
you're looking at the most beautiful.
I'm not really sure. It doesn't look like a Sex on the Beach or something.
What it actually does. This was just like on the side, so Rach is making use. You full on got the ladle out. We do love to see it. I mean, it looks delicious. What is it? Oh, vodka, tequila,
lychee, tropical, like, and lemonade. Like, I don't know. I just bought all of this from the shop.
just a bit of everything. Do you need more of something? Oh,
Not sure if I should have added the tequila.
I can smell it, to be fair. That's nice.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
It's nice and sweet. Sweet like you.
What am I like? We had fucking 3 cocktails last night because of small fortune. That's it.
You literally just had a cocktail at lunch, so... so, forget that.
Oh my god. I'm gonna look.
You're
Oh my
excited.
god. These are all gonna be used against me when people have an intervention for me. Is my top freaking you all out?
I'm obsessed with it. I love it. What's the bottom? Is it a skirt? Or yeah, I love it. Anyway, we're about to film and get ready with us for Mad's channel. I literally could not have more gel in my hair if I tried at this point, but I just couldn't be bothered like washing it and redoing it. So this is the hair for now. I think I might put a pony in later. Just the standard.
Oh my god. I bet people watch these being like, how the fuck do you cut off your hair? Like, no, I am self-diagnosed, like with many issues.
Don't judge me. So I haven't drank in a while. I'm gonna have a night off. These two tried to convince me not to drink, but I've got it in my head that I want to drink tonight.
We said
so
only drink if you want to drink.
Yeah,
yeah,
obviously.
of course. So I
drank enough
just
for the both of us.
So take my first sip. Cheers.
Just like,
Wow. So you actually, I haven't seen you
rosé.
make a glass of rosé in like 2 months.
It's really good. You need to try this as well.
What is it? Oh my god, that looks so cute.
I mean, I've just stolen it from the last person.
No, no. Wait. What?
They want to get it in my TikTok.
Oh, my TikTok. TikTok.
Right, well, time to get ready.
Oh my god.
We'll see you when
Oh
we're looking
my
a lot more
God.
presentable.
Next time we check in, I'll probably
that is
overdraw it.
Alright, girlies, we're off to dinner.
Oh.
Oh,
here we are back in the room.
We're off to Jen's. Where are we going to? How do you say it? Novikov. We're going for Italian. I'm ready for a big bowl of pasta. Or maybe not actually, because these pants are quite tight. But yeah, everyone looks gorgeous. This is the makeup, as it is every single day. The same old, you know how it is. Just wearing a little like cropped shirt from PLT. It's actually like a really nice like silky material, and my black House of CB leather pants. Rach is in Mars the Label, and Miss Madison is in La Merche. Did I say that right? Yeah. Gorgeous.
Let's get in that fucking taxi. Wait, taxi. Was it in Jersey Shore?
Oh, mask.
I have no idea.
Taxi Street.
Food is here. I got the gnocchi with like tomato and cheese. Got some sides. Mads and Rachel's pastas are literally being prepared over there in like a big bowl of cheese. So cute. That mash looks so creamy, I'm gonna cry. But yeah, it's so cute in here. Hey vlog.
I'm in a food coma and I don't know what to do.
She was my sister. But I didn't meet her.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're in a food coma and we do need to go out.
Yeah.
And what?
This is me. The pants are going to have to be undone soon. It's scary.
Scary. But
Oh my god, my hair just fell out.
what?
My butt just like
That was bloody.
What I have to say, this might be the best lychee martini I've ever had. As much as we do love the ones at the Ivy.
Yeah, this one is stronger. And I am enjoying my night off already.
It's a mom night off.
It's a mom night off. Quick change and we're out again. Are you okay?
To my dismay.
A little too
I
much.
prioritised the carbs.
The potatoes, the pasta, everything in between.
I feel like once I just like get moving and it all starts to go down.
It will all be okay.
Well, yeah.
I've stole Mad's jacket for the night, which I'm absolutely obsessed with.
It looks so good.
Like, I love it so much. It actually matches my trainers too. We've all opted to go comfy to tape because I feel like there's nothing better than just being comfortable on a night out. So that is what we're doing. No idea what this is going to be like. I think there's going to be like live performances. We shall see. But yeah, we need to get an Uber. This is the change of outfit. This top is White Fox Boutique. And then I've just got some black cargo pants on from PLT. It's like ready. Right. So, having a lovely time. What's everyone having for breakfast? Hey!
Oh, she was like, hey, this one.
This is the song. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Okay, me and Rach are currently on the train home. I'm about to have a tuna sandwich, hence why I've taken my mask off. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. I've just been editing it. It's actually turned out to be a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. But I think that's because we also filmed Mad's Get Ready With Us, and Rach was also vlogging that day, so I just wanted to do some like little clips here and there. We've also got the brownies from Whole Foods, which I don't know if I showed these the other day, but they're so good. So I'm about to eat my tuna sandwich and a brownie. Suddenly absolutely exhausted. I don't really know why. Me and Rach were on this train. Mad's ended up getting an earlier one. Just absolutely exhausted, but I'm really excited because we're actually going back to London on Sunday for bank holiday, so we're going to be going back and staying a few more days, so I might vlog a little bit more then or just film something else. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this. I've actually stole Mad's jacket today as well, but hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been like a little bit short and a little bit all over the place. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. That is just like me. Just a bit all over the place though, that is me. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Let's say night night. Night night.